Fish spawning aggregations are special events where fish that typically live more solitary lives on coral reefs come together in large groups numbering over 1,000, with the sole purpose to reproduce. These aggregations often happen at predictable times and places in the marine environment, often timed with a full or new moon and over prominent seabed geological formations. But the predictability of these events can make these aggregations vulnerable to overfishing. The status, precise timing, and habitat use of many aggregations remains a mystery, especially in the remote areas of the open ocean. A team of scientists from the National Oceanic and Atmospheric Administration and the Florida Fish and Wildlife Conservation Commission has spent roughly 10 years making observations at a protected multi-species aggregation site. 80 miles west of Key West, Riley's Hump is located in the Tortugas South Conservation Area, at the southwest end of the Florida Reef Tract, near Dry Tortugas National Park. The team's target and species of interest, the Cubera snapper, the largest species of snapper in the region. The team has been using an array of scuba diving and ship-based technologies to document the aggregation of Cubera and other species. These tools include hydrographic and fishery echosounders, remotely operated vehicles, specially trained divers, and lander cameras. The team is gathering data to provide new insights into the seabed habitats, but also the size and species composition of these aggregations. The team has made some remarkable observations. The geology of the site is quite dramatic. At over 180 feet deep, 30-foot ledges rise from the sand with dramatic undercuts and tunnels, the rocks covered with soft corals and sponges. Large groups of fish congregate near the steepest part of the ledge, a location the team has referred to as the elbow. A large group of as many as 500 Cubera snapper appear to be present during the expected time of year they are known to reproduce. The aggregations also appear to be concentrated in a small region of the ledge, and that they prefer certain habitat types. The team also made observations of several other species in unusually high densities during the same time period and over the same habitats. Schools of dozens of large jacks and numerous large scamp, yellowmouth, and Goliath grouper also use the elbow area. Documenting aggregations like these provide important data to manage fisheries and protect special places in the marine ecosystem. This sustains populations like Cubera snapper and ensure a productive and diverse fish community along the reef tract.